Hi, everyone. This is Eric Jacobs from Clear Title Group, and I just wanted to take a minute to explain the right way to make sure that you put the right seller name in your contract. So I'm here in Google, type in Sarasota County Property Appraiser, click search, search there. And then here we'll put, just do in this case, make up a name, Robert Smith. And then I'll pick, let's just, presumably you would have had the address, but let's just pick this up as an example. Okay. So now this is the information that will generally auto-populate from the software that you're probably using. And this is usually, but not always, right. And in any case, it's really not written right. So let's go down here to sale and transfers. This is really where you want to be. You'll see the most recent transaction is 7/23/18. Click on the instrument. See it's opening. Once that opens, what we're looking at here is the actual deed. This is the deed that went from the prior owner to the current owner. So we see that Charlotte Gollobin conveyed the property to Robert A. Smith and Carol A. Smith as trustees for the Robert A. Smith and Carol A. Smith Revocable Trust of February 9, 2009. Now that is exactly what you should be putting under your sellers category, not the abbreviated version that's on the property tax collector or the property appraiser's website. Now, while you're there, you might as well take a look at the legal description and make sure that that's right as well. Interestingly, on this one, oh, there it is. You'll see unit number 425, Grand Bay 4, and it goes on to explain the legal. This is exactly what you want to have under legal description. And sometimes you'll see these legals are kind of long. And if they are, what I like to do is I'll print out the deed. I'll cut this out. I'll stick it on a white piece of paper. I'll write Exhibit A at the bottom. And under legal description on the front page of the contract, I'll write See Exhibit A. So that's just a quick way to make sure that you get both the legal right and the seller right. Hope that helps.